What's up, little Gulper family? This is Laura Chugging, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I know, one of my subscribers have been asking me to try the Coca-Cola, without burping. I know it's been a while, but I got you now. So I'm gonna get ready to do it. This is very cold, you guys, so be prepared if I stop early on. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was a notification. Okay, I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so cold. Also, you guys, I'm also gonna be posting a skincare video on my Laura's skincare routine and more. So make sure you subscribe to that channel. I'll leave a link of that channel below. So, yeah. Oops. God dang, I've already failed you guys. Brain freeze. I can feel a burp. God, I can feel a burp. Okay, sorry guys, I gotta let this loose. Oh. Yeah, I have to let these burps loose, you guys, because it's really hurting my chest. Oh my God, man. Oh my God, it's almost done, you guys. Brain freeze. Done. Okay. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't do it, but I tried my best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications because there's more to come. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, again, please subscribe to my Laura's skincare routine and more. I'll make sure to leave a link below. So go check it out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!